In Lamizing, together, where there is a need.
The atmosphere was in a celebrative mood as Lions converged for the installation of a new executives of Lions International District 404B3 as Isheri played host to the inauguration. The district governor of Lions 404B3 Nigeria, Dr. Ibrahim Bello, who led the installation and public presentation, charged the president, cabinet members, and other members of the service club on unity and diligence in service.
It's come with honor, it also comes with a responsibility that the office entails in terms of good character, in terms of a commitment, and in terms of a passion to serve. Have no doubt the entire members of this club, from the board of directors, members of this club, they will support you. You are going to lead as a servant leader of this great club.
I'm confident that Isheri also plans to continue to try our meaningful contribution to the community and to the society in general. The president of Isheri Old Man's Club, Mustapha, as well as this noble office are charged to uphold the principle of unity, foster unity and cooperation among members, continue the legacy of service to the less privileged, strive for excellence in all the
The multiple districts chairperson for Lions 404 Nigeria, Anogui Anyanwu, urged public-spirited people in Isheri area of Lagos State to join the Humanitarian Service Club in fulfillment of its aspirations.
Serving humanity in the areas of diabetes, sight, children's cancer, hunger alleviation, youth, humanitarian service, and disaster relief. And we will continue to serve. That's why we are asking more people to join us so that we will continue to render much needed services in our communities.
Everyone should actually find an avenue to help humanity. Those that have should actually look out, because we are loving individuals doing things that others do not do. What we do at Lions is when we see a need, we meet it. I enjoy Nigerians who have to look for needs and try to meet it.
Then came the moment Lions had waited for, the inauguration of Lion Mustapha Adetayo and other officials for the 2024-25 service year in Isheri, as well as fundraising luncheon for club projects in Lagos.
And it is gone.
In his acceptance speech, Lion Mustapha Adetayo said the year had earlier begun with youth empowerment program, education support for a student awareness campaign for cancer, as well as vision campaign being part of the global courses of the Lions Club International.
For more donations from all our distinguished guests seated to carry out more laudable projects with this Lions service here that include feeding the hungry, diabetes support, disaster relief like war-ravaged countries, borehole projects, renovation of public facilities in order to serve humanity. We as a club, our slogan is helping hands. I strongly appeal to you all for your support.
Lion Adetayo and the new executive have assured that they will intensify campaign on hunger relief, diabetes awareness, and support disaster relief, borehole projects, as well as renovation of public facilities, all to benefit mankind.